I grew up in a mission house. My father was a priest, but we lived like rich kids because we never had to worry about food. So I knew the importance of farming at that early stage in life. I got the opportunity to travel around the whole country, and I saw the vast amount of land that was available doing nothing. The level of poverty I saw in Ghana always drove me to tears. So a tractor like this can do a lot more than you can imagine. If I own one tractor with 3 implements, I'm talking about a plow, a harrow, and a planter, I could have achieved the cultivation of over 300 acres under 1 month. If you empower one woman, you empower a nation. If you empower a man, you have only empowered one individual.
I'm the one who is going to write all the people's name so that they can know the people they are using to work, and that when they finish, they can pay all the people. So I just came and joined the group to get some money. The time I want to go to school, I can have my own money for that.
As an intern and managing a farm, this huge. Just a little supervision, I think, has been good. And we have women operating tractors. We have women doing all of this. Farming is not just a man thing. It's women, and then women are also in technology. And if it's done somewhere, we could also do it here.
If we give them financial literacy classes, if we give them small mechanization skills and help them acquire their own land and seed this land for them, what will success be like 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now? I just want to see that people are given a fair opportunity to succeed in life. And that's all I want to do.